Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you how to achieve this beautiful twist out using As I Am products and Camille Rose. So getting right into this, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle this side of my hair. This side I'm going to be using As I Am products, so I'm going to detangle my hair really quickly. And then I'm going to go in with the As I Am Long Luxe Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. Now I'm going to use the As I Am Curling Jelly as my gel. I'm going to do pretty small twists, so I'm going to take a really small section and then I'm going to twist that up. Now this side of my hair is entirely twisted. I'm going to go in the front of my hair and just flat twist the front to try to make a little cute style out of it. So I'm really not good at flat twisting, so I don't want to make this a flat twist tutorial, but I think I did okay. Tell me what you think. So on this side of my hair, I'm just going to saturate it, get it wet again. I'm going to be using Camille Rose Naturals products on this side. So I'm going to go in with the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. And on this side, I'm going to use the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker as my gel. I'm just going to use a very little bit of this because it's a little bit heavier than the As I Am curling jelly, so I didn't want to make it too stiff. It is the next day and I'm using a completely different camera, that's why it looks a little different, but my twists are completely dry, so I'm going to take a little bit of oil and I'm going to run that over my twists just to make sure that they're nice and moisturized before I take them out. So I'm just going to unravel this twist. I start at the root and untwist a little bit until I get an opening, and then I just pull down. This is what it's looking like. If you can see that, the definition on this is really nice. It's holding really well. So I've taken down all of the twists on this side. This is the As I Am side. I haven't separated it just yet, so this is what it's looking like with the definition, just taking the twists out. I'm going to go ahead and unravel the twist on the Camille Rose Naturals side. Do the same thing, twist at the root until I get an opening, and then just separate from there. And then I just like to twist it around my finger just a little bit. And this is what it's looking like, the definition on it. I think both sides are pretty defined and they're both holding very well. So this is the Camille Rose Natural side. I think the definition is amazing. It's holding really well and it looks gorgeous to me. Also on the As I Am side, I think it's kind of equally as beautiful. Let me know what you think, but I'm going to go ahead and separate these a little bit more to give me a little bit of volume. I'm only going to separate these about once or twice. When I separate my hair, it gets really frizzy and I don't want it to get too frizzy. So I'm just going to separate very lightly. And this is what it's looking like all separated. I did 2 flat twists in the front. I took one of them out and left one in. So it did get a little frizzy for my flat twists. So I do have some frizz there, but not as bad as it normally is. So I really like these products because my hair is normally a big frizz ball. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out a little bit. I'm going to use my wide tooth comb because my pick is actually in my car. So I'm just going to pick this out a little bit to try to give me a little more volume because it was looking a little flat. I'm going to try to style it a bit. I'm just going to take some gel. I'm going to rub that on that side and smooth it back a little bit. And then I'm going to take my bobby pins and try to pin it back, giving it a little bit of a style. So this is what my hair is looking like all done. I think I like the As I Am side more. I think the products were just a little bit lighter. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.